Hey guys, we are back again with another video from Eurovision 2025. So I'm very excited, and this is JJ Wasted Love Austria Eti official music video from Eurovision 2025. Guys, let's go. Oh, already very excited.
Wasted Love.
Wasted Love. Oh wow, what a vocal.
Wow, he got a
Man.
really nice vocal though.
Just look like just hear his vocal.
Yeah,
I
man.
mean,
It's real pretty nice.
wow. Wow.
This is so
My
good.
god. Wow. I love this.
love
I
it.
honestly love the way he is singing right now at this point
Yeah.
because it has a lot of, kind of what this the magical kind
Magical
of
vocal.
like not magical like kind of those
High kind of
mystery vocal
yeah.
those
Angelic
voice,
vocal also.
like those
I
vocal
have to say
which
angel.
create a mystery kind
Yeah.
of around the whole thing. Yeah,
It's more
kind
like
of
that.
like that. I
Love
really
this.
love it. Ooh. Oh my god.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
Wow. I love the whole prop things,
Yeah.
It's like
It's more like in
cloud. He's sitting on the cloud and there is that thing,
Boat, in
boat,
paper boat.
boat. I can
We
make
used to
paper
make
boats.
we used to make paper boat. in
That,
our
that's really
childhood.
easy
Yeah.
and fun in the
Yeah.
rainy seasons. There
And
used to be
aeroplane
puddles.
Also. We have to do aeroplane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then there used to be puddles of
And-
water in the
and-
rainy season, and we used to put
it
the
in.
boat in the
And we name it.
puddle.
Name it.
Yeah,
name
yeah,
the-
and then so that it can move forward.
In classroom we used to make aeroplanes.
Wow. Just like that boat used to tilt like this.
Yeah.
And that used to be very sad because it would get wet and then it wouldn't be
Yeah.
working. So it's kind of like
It's
fun
hard
games.
to make the boat, but it's easy to make the aeroplane.
No, I think boats are more easier because it's more. It wouldn't.
It's my
like-
thing.
Yeah.
It's my opinion about it.
Oh wow! Wow! Oh my god, it's raining.
Yeah.
And it's also raining. Oh wow, I like it. Oh, that boat! Oh
my
wow!
What?
Oh my god! Wow! It's like thunderstorm.
Look at the high note. His high note is. Oh my goodness.
And with this vocal, the reaching those high notes is
It's
really
tough, man. How he do that?
bro.
Let's play.
Come on, bro. Oh my god! Wow!
My God.
It's like thunderstorm. He can't move forward, but he's trying to move forward. Oh my god. This is really amazing. Whoa, wow, what? Wow.
No.
Oh my god, wow.
Wow.
Oh wow.
What a transition, man.
I love it. This
I
is
love it.
so mesmerizing. I'm flabbergasted, to be honest.
It's more like some kind of dream.
Yeah, it's dream.
Oh
Dream
my
kind of used to
God.
use. Dream kind of looks like it.
Yeah.
I love it. Oof, man.
Dude.
And with his music on
Yeah.
the background,
This
with
is
his visuals,
intense.
this is really intense. Oof. Oh my god, the
goodness.
boat. It's probably about the strength to keep moving forward,
Yeah.
even without, even if you have a lot of obstacles.
Yeah.
The boat, the paper boat, to be honest, is very
Representation of the
representation of human mind.
human
It's
mind,
very
yeah.
like it's not very strong. It's
Yeah,
itself
it's-
strong in itself, but
fragile.
it's fragile. It has a lot of flaws. It has a lot of
scars and
Scars.
heartbreaks.
everything. It makes it
Struggle.
fragile.
Everything.
And in this volatile situation in the life, in the path of your life,
Yeah.
you may go through a lot of obstacles where you find you are stuck in a position and you cannot move.
Yeah.
And probably that is the representation, I guess,
Yeah.
in my opinion. And still, with all of the storms, with all of those rains, with every obstacles, the boat still moves forward, and
Yeah.
it doesn't stop. It doesn't need to be stopped. I
That's
think
really symbolic, guys.
it's honestly my interpretation or our interpretation,
Impression.
and I think it kind of represents that.
Yeah.
You can share your opinion in the comment
Also,
box.
I felt like he put out a lot of his heart on this
Yeah,
song,
yeah, yeah.
and it's his own experience.
Yeah,
And I love that fact that he's doing in Eurovision.
Yeah.
We are really blessed to
yeah, yeah.
see this kind of performance.
Honestly, honestly.
Amazing.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh
Oh,
my
he's
god.
drowning. He's drowning. Oh my goodness.
god.
And the paper boat is just. Oh no. No.
He's drowning.
He's drowning. He's drowning.
This is sad though.
He's drowning. Maybe he will wake up from it. He will get past from it.
Oh no.
Oh, oh, what? Oh,
Oh my god. What just happened?
I love it.
Oh my god. Huh?
It's very interesting concept that maybe you can find yourself drowning
more
for a moment, but
Yeah,
if
it's
you
more like he's in he's an artist, I know. He's a famous person. It's his story.
it's history.
History.
I love it.
History repeat itself, man.
Oh wow.
This is so good.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
Oh my
In one
god.
moment you are-
Everyone want to grab him, but nobody reaching
It's
his
like-
potential.
It's like in one moment you find yourself drowning, and the very next moment you are on top of the world.
Yeah.
And it's just the way of
Way of life.
way
man.
of life, way of time. You know, time heals, they say time heals everything, and time makes a lot of things easier. So
Yeah.
just do what you gotta do. Do what you are doing right
Doing
now.
right now.
Don't stop.
Yeah.
You may feel like drowning, but maybe after that you may be
Rise
on
again
top of the world and
top of
rise
the
again.
world.
You know, this is very interesting. Wow. Wow.
Oh
There's
my
the
god.
last part also very interesting in my opinion, because you know sometimes the people who
Yeah.
like made you on top of, like who made you reach on top of the world, those people also can let you drag down.
Yeah.
Like those people also can drag you down to the point where you don't want to be, to the very point where you don't want to be.
Yeah.
So be like, in my opinion, I think when you are going uphill,
Yeah.
you have to be very careful whom you are going up with.
Yeah.
Like you
Your
have to-
surrounding and
your
your
surrounding,
friends and,
your friends, your
and relatives. and
relatives,
also-
whom you are choosing to go with
Yeah.
you needs to be very carefully,
carefully
chosen,
chosen.
because otherwise the people that helped you to go up, those people also can drag you down
drag you down.
to the very starting point, or maybe more backward point from the starting point, you know. So I really love it because there are so many symbolisms, so many
Yeah,
factors
so
that
many
I
factors.
can interpret from my own experiences, and this is very to be honest, artistic.
Yeah.
This is not abstract. This is not something out of like, yeah, I just wanted to do it. No, it's very you know, meaningful, to be
Yeah.
honest. It's very meaningful. And the boat.
Oh my god, it's broken now. What a song,
What a
guys!
song.
What a performance by JJ. Wasted Love. It's
Yeah.
terrific, man. He's terrific artist. I love this,
Yes,
man.
he's a very, very, very
And
talented
thank
artist.
you, he's choosing him. Thank you fans for choosing him for in this Eurovision.
Like,
Love this.
I love the song because there were so many things that you can relate to, so
Yeah.
many things that you can interpret with your own thinking procedure.
Yeah.
So that you have it has a open section, you know, so that you can think by yourself,
Yeah.
interpret by yourself, and
Yourself.
have a own meaning of yourself, just like we did. You may also have your own opinion about it.
Yeah.
So you can share that opinion in the comment section if you want to, and we would love to read it because we love comment sections.
Yeah.
That is the thing that we connect with you guys through the comment section. And you know, it's really, and while talking about comment section, we did a few days ago of Fernando Daniel,
Yeah.
Medo. In that song it was really nice song. We did that, and you can check it on the channel. And guess who commented? Yes, Fernando Daniel
Himself.
himself did commented on that video of ours. We were really really happy, and
Yeah.
I think he was also really really happy. I don't know, it's a very overwhelming situation for us because we never expect anything, to be honest. It's just we love to do it. We are doing it, and what we think is really up to our own perspective. If there is something that is not that's I think not really up to the mark, I say it on the camera. If
Yeah.
something is really nice, I also say it, as you already know. And seeing him comment on the comment section, it's really 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 uplifting for us. It's really uplifting for us. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Daniel,
guys, for
and
supporting
Fernando
us.
Daniel, so much. Like, we love it, and we love you too. And he's a very humble person.
Yeah, he's so humble that he commented and
Yeah.
he said that see
You can see in our
Eurovision performance.
yeah. So
That's really nice.
that's really really humble and thankful. Oh, I'm really like thankful for this. I'm losing my words, but yes. So
It's okay.
thank you so much, guys. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also do subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos on this channel. Until then, bye bye.
Bye bye.